The quest for immortality has been a fundamental desire of human beings throughout history. Medicine, as a field, has played a significant role in this pursuit, striving to extend human life and improve its quality. Let's explore the history of medicine and its connection to the concept of immortality. Ancient civilizations. The origins of medicine can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as the Sumerians, Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese. In these early societies, medicine was often intertwined with religion and mythology. There was a belief in the existence of elixirs, potions, and divine intervention that could grant immortality. However, these remedies were largely based on superstition and lacked scientific foundation. Ancient Greece and Rome. During the classical period, Greek and Roman physicians began to adopt a more rational and empirical approach to medicine. Hippocrates, often regarded as the father of medicine, emphasized the importance of observation and clinical diagnosis. However, the concept of immortality was still largely seen as a divine attribute, rather than something achievable through medical means. Middle Ages and Renaissance. In the Middle Ages, medical knowledge and practice were largely influenced by religious institutions. The focus shifted towards the treatment of diseases rather than the pursuit of immortality. The Renaissance period witnessed a revival of interest in ancient Greek and Roman texts, including medical works. Scholars like Paracelsus began exploring the concept of an elixir of life, or a universal panacea, a substance believed to grant eternal life. Scientific revolution and enlightenment. The scientific revolution of the 17th century and the subsequent Enlightenment period brought about significant advancements in medicine. Scientists such as William Harvey, who discovered the circulation of blood, and Antony van Leeuwenhoek, who developed the microscope, laid the foundation for a more systematic study of the human body. However, the pursuit of immortality remained elusive, with the focus primarily on understanding diseases and developing treatments. Modern medicine. The 19th and 20th centuries witnessed remarkable progress in medical science. The discovery of anesthesia, the development of vaccines, and the understanding of germs and infectious diseases revolutionized healthcare. Advancements in surgery, diagnostics, and pharmacology significantly extended human life expectancy. However, while medicine played a crucial role in improving health and longevity, the concept of immortality in the traditional sense remained unattainable. Current perspectives. In the contemporary era, medicine continues to advance rapidly. Breakthroughs in genetics, regenerative medicine, and nanotechnology hold promise for further extending human life and even potentially reversing the aging process. Scientists are exploring the genetic factors associated with aging, developing interventions to slow down cellular senescence, and investigating the potential of stem cells and tissue engineering to repair and rejuvenate the body. However, it is essential to note that the concept of true immortality, meaning eternal life without any constraints, remains speculative and hypothetical. Despite significant advancements, there are inherent limitations to human biology and the eventual wear and tear of the body over time. In conclusion, while the quest for immortality has driven the history of medicine, it has evolved from mythical and religious beliefs to evidence-based scientific inquiry. Medicine has made significant strides in extending human life and improving health, but the dream of true immortality remains a subject of philosophical and ethical contemplation.